Hey, Shadowstalker here. I made a new app. It's called Pink Noise Chop. What it does is it chops up pink noise for you. It also has a volume trip in it, which means the volume for the pink noise is soft and hard, and sometimes it's normal. Plus, you're able to make it faster or slower. So let's try this. And we're going to use electronic voice recorder. And I'm gonna have it up here. I don't know why I can't see anything. Okay, so we're going to do a quick session here. Any and all negative beings may not enter into this session. Only positive and pathetic hearing beings may respond to any questions I have. So, we're going to start recording. Come on. Okay, it's recording. I don't know why. Oh. Okay. If there's anyone here, could you please tell me your name? Or my name? Okay, let's... I forgot how to use this bloody thing. Okay, no, stop. Oh, it's been so long. Button. Okay, let's try and get a response here. Okay, that didn't work, but we can always try another one. Okay, new mini session. If there's anyone willing to respond, could you please tell me where you are and how you found my place? Okay, we'll try it for a third time. We'll slow it down this time. Can you tell me how many people are here? I would really like to talk to you, so long as you're loving and compassionate. I'm more than willing to have a conversation with you.